In this section, we are going to discuss about the use appropriate tools to scan the network ports. So what are the network ports? Ports already we have discussed the logical number from 0 to 65535 for TCP and UDP. So for the network administrator, like you are working as a network administrator or the cyber security analyst, then it is necessary to find out how many computers are in the network. Like you have you have a network and there multiple computers are connected in the same network. So it is necessary for you to identify how many computers are available and how many computers are up, or you can say live, and how many computers are dead, or you can say not live, down. So it is not necessary, or it is very tough to go on every computer and check this computer is live or the dead. So it is very tough. So you are sitting on a one computer and you are scanning the whole network and identify the running systems, up systems and dead systems, and also you can find out how many ports are open on the target machine. So how you can do it? Simply, if you want to do it, you need a tool. There is a one tool, it is called Angry IP Scanner. This tool available online, you can just go and download this. So this IP scanner will help you to identify, like you need to put the range starting from here the IP address and finish to this particular IP address. So if you want to, in between, you want to scan all the computer, so you can scan by using the IP scanner tool. There is other tools also available, like this tool also available, like ping, ARP or the trace route, to find out the determining the host is up or down. And SNMP is a simple network management protocol. This protocol actually have all the information related to network devices. So why using the SNMP? Like SNMP send the request the system is live or not. So if the system is live, it will give the reply to you. So it is useful, but SNMP you cannot access in a simple term. Also, you can query the DHCP server or the DNS to checking particular IP address is up or not. So these are the methods which can be used to checking for the live host or the up host. So how can you do it? I will show you in a demonstration part, and there is another tool, it is called Nmap. It is the well-known, most used tool worldwide. All the hackers, cybersecurity researcher and other person are scanning the tool. It actually the command line interface, but there is also one interface, graphical user interface. It is called Nmap, which is available for the Windows operating system. You can download and install it, and you can run. Simply you need to put the target machine and then click on the scan. Also you can set the scan type from here. What are the scan type we will discuss, but right now you need to use how to use the Nmap. Just put the target address and then click on the scan. It will scan and then it will give the reply to you. There is another tool, it is called the net state tool. Actually, as its name is a net and the state, so the name is a net status, to check the network status. This is available in Windows, Linux, both you can use. So what you can see when you run this command is net state and TUA. So it will give the answer of the TCP protocol, receiving, sending data, and the listening address, local address. And also if any computer is connected, so it will be display here for an address. So why using this, you can identify is there is any program which is malicious to connect out your network. Like this is the local network address, this is the domain address. So it is connected with the domain name. only. That is good. So also you can use the netstate-i option. For particular interface information, you will get all the information here. Okay, so what you will, TCP and UDP, you will get information, protocol type, local IP and port number, it is the for the local address, remote IP and the port address for the foreign address, and state, it is listening state or the established connection. If this is the on the listening state, so it means there is a no connection has been established. Once the connection will be established by sending the SYN and acknowledgement packet, so it will be shown like this, connection has been established. Okay, and when you are doing the net state or other option, so you can use the escape name resolution, so process, report statics, and different options for the net state available for the Windows and the Linux, different. How you can check, I will show you. Here is another command also, you IP route to SSS or the NS state command has been replaced to the net state in a Linux, but in a window net state as it is. Okay, so if you want to scan the remote port system, remote port means any target machine. You are here and you want to scan this machine, so you can use the Nmap or the Nmap. Where you need to target machine, you can put here IP address as well. If you don't know the domain name, if you know the domain name, so you can put the domain name, then you can start the scanning. So it will show you how many ports are the open. Ports are open and what are the services are running there. Like port number 25 is open, SMTP service is running, port number 80 is open, STTP running there, port number 11, RPC bind, and much more services are there. So the scanning, when you are scanning the remote port by using the Nmap or the Nmap, so you can use the different type of the scans like half open, full connect, UDP port scan, and range, all this type of the scanning you can do. Host and services also can be used to checking for the running host and what are the service is running. Like SMTP is running, so what is the version? If you are going to get the name of the version, it is called fingerprinting. Means getting more information about the service will known as a fingerprinting. It or this fingerprinting relate to the servers or the relate to the OS operating system as well. Okay. There is some specific process which is called protocol analyzer. When you are analyzing the complete protocol means TCP protocol port number 80. When you are analyzing a specific protocol, it is called protocol analyzer. There is two tools are used for this analyzing. One is a TCPDump. Another is a Wireshark. Okay, all of you know about the shark. This is the Wireshark. Okay, you need a Cineverse which will capture the data and frame and save in a file. This file can be saved as a extension pcap file. Also you can check for the headers and you can relieve some metadata of the headers. Then you reconstruct the TCP stream. A stream means like when the 1 packet, 2 packet, 3 packet are sending multiple packets, but all the packet have a data, big data. So when you can follow the stream and create a complete web page, this is known as a TCP stream. Also UDP stream and other streams are available. So I will show you how you can do it inside the Wireshark. Okay.